There's a little update. I'm on this field. It's not a lot of people today. It's me and my dad versus this other guy. We won last game. He ran to the truck. He ran to this truck actually, and I lit him up. So we won. I forgot to record that, but we're switching sides now. And I fucking fall. I don't know where my dad is. Dad! Come on! Dad, hurry up! No, I got him. Yeah. He ran to the truck. He ran to the gas tank truck. He didn't see me. I'm gonna sprint for the plane.
Where are you going?
Plane.
Be careful, don't slip.
I'll be fine. You go, move up as far as you can on this side. Satellite tower! Oh, sorry! My bad! I got him.